Jing.
And I'm Bianca.
And welcome to our
PB&M Test Kitchen.
Here in our test kitchen, we will be demonstrating to you different ways of cooking our vegetarian, meat-free products. And for today's episode, we will be demonstrating to you how to cook our vegetarian chicken nuggets. We will air fry and bake them. So we'll see kung ano yung mas masarap, air fry or bake.
So the ingredients for the chicken nuggets are non-GMO soy protein, wheat starch, vegetable fiber, canola oil, breadcrumb, starch, salt, sugar, milk powder, celery powder, white pepper, flavoring agent, and spices.
We'll head over to our air fryer and mini oven over there. See you there.
Place the frozen chicken nuggets in the air fryer basket and spread out into a single even layer. Air fry at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes.
If you're using your mini oven, brush a thin layer of oil on the baking sheet. If you're baking 1 whole pack of our vegetarian chicken nuggets, preheat your mini oven at 400 degrees. Bake nuggets for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. Flip nuggets halfway during baking. If nuggets are frozen, add 2 minutes more to your baking time.
Okay, tapos na! I-check na natin. Wow! Amazing! So, lalagay ko na.
Now that the baking is done, you get the nuggets. Careful, it's hot. And then we'll taste this later. So Bianca,
Tapos na.
time to taste. Here, Bianca air fried the nuggets. Mine, I baked it. So we will taste kung ano yung mas masarap. Baka naman same lang, di ba? Bianca, taste your air fried chicken nuggets. No, chicken nugget.
Sarap. Better siya kasi hindi siya oily. Tapos, it's the same taste as the one with yung naka-fry lang siya.
Fry sa oil, pero ito kasi healthier.
Healthier
Walang oil.
version.
Mine naman is baked. So, we'll see kung mas masarap ba siya sa air fry or pareho lang.
Parang ininsulto mo yung air fry.
Para for those who doesn't have any air fry but has toaster sa bahay or maliit na oven, maybe you can use that instead of just frying it para less yung oil. So, here goes. Okay na, ma'am. Okay siya. But I think instead of baking it for about 10 minutes, I'd recommend it siguro, since medyo hot yung oven, I'd rather bake it for siguro mga 8 minutes, the same as the air fry. Switch na tayo?
Switch. Okay, here goes the baked. First time to try the baked chicken nugget.
This one's the air fried. 1, 2, 3.
Okay din siya. Masarap.
I like the air fried better. Maybe because it's air fried lesser time. So, mas medyo ano pa siya. So,
I actually like the way it was toasted sa oven.
mas gusto mo yung toasted.
Mas gusto ko siya toasted. Parang mas crunchier siya. Kasi sa air fryer, medyo siguro malambot pa.
So, hindi pa siya as crunchy as
Yeah, it's not as
baked.
crunchy as the baked one.
So, Bianca, what's the verdict?
Sige na nga, air fry.
Any is better. Actually, air fried or baked, same lang. Less yung cholesterol kasi walang oil. So, I'd recommend both. But if you don't have air fry, I'd try your toaster. If meron namang air fry, better to do your frying sa air fry. For watching our first episode.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
See you again on our next episode. Bye!